Hey friends, it's Jenny. I have a really fun appointment this morning. I have a customer that is doing a kitchen remodel and she's kind of open to her countertop and she wants something unique that not everybody else has. So we are taking field trips to new supply houses that I haven't even been to before just to see what their inventory looks like, and wait till you see some of the pictures of what Mother Earth can make for your countertops. Keep in mind, you don't need to do a full kitchen remodel. Sometimes people choose to just replace their countertops and it freshens up your whole kitchen. Check out these pictures.